First day of UNEA, quite early in the morning. I'm going to the UNEP, so United Nations office in Nairobi, to pick up my badge and yeah, to basically start.
My name is Stephanny, and I work on environmental migration policy. I focus on the challenges and opportunities for young people when it comes to the planet.
This is going to officially mark the opening plenary of UNEA, and we really hope that at the end of the week we have meaningful resolutions that we have been adopted.
The United Nations Environment Assembly is really about getting involved in a moment where countries come together to negotiate and agree on environment policy that will affect us all.
It's nice to meet you.
Stephanny.
For young people, it's so important that we can play a role at UNEA, as we bring different perspectives from across the world. There are negotiations and events throughout the week that are led by young people through networks, like the Children and Youth Major Group to UNEP, to essentially influence how the world acts together on the environment.
Yeah, it's so thrilling to be able, in the future as well, if this gets approved, that you're like, deadline, we put that line there.
It's great to meet young people participating in the negotiations or taking concrete action in their communities.
To congratulate you.
It's so inspiring what we can achieve.
We're in one of the negotiating rooms right now. It's really the nitty-gritty of discussing. They go paragraph by paragraph, talking about language and content on what they want to put inside there.
I also caught up with Inger Anderson, the Executive Director for the UN Environment Programme.
So I think these are the kind of places where youth take the power, but don't sit back and wait for somebody to ask you what you know. Be present and engage. I think that's a way that we change the world, and I know that that's what youth are doing.
I'm very happy. I learned a lot. I think I finally got a better grasp of all of this multilateralism and how these meetings actually work. I think there's still a lot to learn, and I just hope that I have other opportunities to continue doing what I'm doing and supporting especially youth-led initiatives and community building, which is what I enjoy to do, and of course fight for nature and climate.